If your Toshiba TV screen is flickering or the picture keeps flashing on and off, worry step 1. Check the HDMI connection first. Let's start simple. Unplug your HDMI cable and make sure it's not damaged. Try a different HDMI port on your Toshiba TV. If possible, swap in another HDMI cable. Sometimes a bad connection is the real cause of flickering. Step 2. Power cycle the TV next. Do a quick reset. Turn off your Toshiba TV and unplug it from the wall. Hold down the power button on the TV for 30 seconds to drain any extra power. Wait for 1-2 minutes, plug it back in, and turn it on. This clears temporary glitches that cause flickering. Step 3. Picture settings. If it's still flickering, check your TV settings. Go to Menu, Picture Settings. Go to Menu, Picture Settings. Turn off features like dynamic contrast or motion smoothing. Set the picture mode to standard instead of vivid. These settings can sometimes overload the panel and cause screen issues. Step 4. Software update. Go to Settings, this system. Software update. Go to Settings, System. Software update. Go to Settings, System. Software update. Make sure your Toshiba TV firmware is up to date. Updates often fix display bugs. Step 5. Backlight. Hardware issue. If none of the above fixes work, the issue might be with the backlight or power board. In that case, you will need professional repair or replacement, but in most cases, the earlier steps solve the problem without extra cost. Thanks for watching.